Hey everyone, Paul Giese, sales specialist here at LDV, and today we're going to take a look at Mark Garland's new 22-foot Freightliner M2. Let's go take a look. Take a look at the 7.5 Onan diesel generator, providing plenty of power for the two rooftop AC units. This is on a slide-out tray and also has a remote air cleaner for easy maintenance. Here you can see the truck has dual bolt lights and also large SSV scene lights in the back to ensure plenty of light during night for safe operation. All right, we're inside Mark's new truck here, and up front here in the workstation we have an angled knife display. We have a pull-out writing board. In the work area here we have extra storage above the desk here. Window. We have the security system monitor. We have a microwave in the drawer stack behind the work area here. Central vacuum system here to help keep the truck clean. We have a personal refrigerator. We have a double repair stack with stainless steel trim, Monday through Friday drawers, and repair drawers. So over here we have an 88-inch box opening with some black slat wall above to give you some flexibility as far as displays go. On this side here, Mark went with a 76-inch box opening, a little bit larger than the standard 60 to accommodate a little larger box, along with some E-track above this box area to fit the standard E-track mounted displays. On the shelving here, you see we have two 4-inch socket rails. Each of these rails has 2 rows of the low-profile magnets. In the back of the truck here, in the 42-inch box opening, we have a mobile retail cart.